If cooking isn't your forte, the co-founders of Small Bits of Happiness are here to help. Mercedes and Anastasia Korngut have put out their very own cookbook. I swear it's easy. Mercedes and Anastasia, thanks for being here today from Calgary. You guys came far and wide to be right here in Hamilton. So, first of all, congratulations on your cookbook and all your success. Mercedes, let's start with you. Talk a little bit about what the book is about and how it can, obviously we know it's cooking, but how it all came to be.
Yes, well thank you so much for having us here this morning. We're super excited. The I Swear It's Easy cookbook from smallbitsofhappiness.com, that's our website. It started because I just graduated from high school and I realized that so many of my friends and peers were struggling with knowing how they would cook for themselves once they moved away or gained some more independence. So this cookbook has got over 100 recipes for all meals. They're simple, they're budget friendly, they're easy and really quick. And there's a video QR code for every recipe showing exactly how to make it.
Which is so incredible. As I was flipping through it the other day, I was like, so it's so easy just to navigate it. And today you have brought us a simple recipe that we're going to be able to make. So we can take it away. Whoever wants to lead.
Yes. Today we're making the perfect pancakes. And because we're so excited to be here this morning, we've actually got the cookbook 20% off on smallbitsofhappiness.com.
Awesome.
So that's part of the cookbook. And yeah, we can put together some ingredients.
Yeah, exactly.
Here.
So you can start cracking those eggs.
I will crack two eggs here.
We've got a little bit of maple syrup, of course.
Ooh, nice. Right into the mix?
Exactly. We're just adding it right in.
Exactly.
We also have some melted butter here.
And then Simone, do you want to add in, we've got some milk.
Okay, perfect. I'll add that in. Also very impressed by your egg cracking abilities because I feel like you've totally got a shell in there.
She's a pro. And if you
perfect.
like, you can totally mix that up. I know mixing is my personal favorite part. But
Oh, thank you for letting me do it. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh, I don't want to get anyone dirty.
It's all good.
Okay, that looks pretty well incorporated.
yeah, exactly. And now we're just going to add in a little bit of flour.
And some salt that we already added in there.
Okay.
Some baking powder, and then our favorite addition,
Vanilla extract.
Yes.
A simple way to add more flavor into the pancake recipe.
Exactly. And like, look how quick and easily that's
it's all coming together.
Exactly.
And it's also, it kind of just takes away some of that, you know, intimidation when it comes to putting pancakes together, I find, because, you know, sometimes people just go for the box, but you can just, some of these items I already have inside my house, right?
Exactly. And it's so much more budget friendly, and you know the ingredients that are in there, and you know that it will make you feel good.
And the best part is that you can actually make these in bulk. You can say, hey, I'm having a big party, my friend's coming over, I can make a ton of these, so everyone can have a pancake.
I love that. Where did your love for cooking come from?
Yeah, our mom taught us to cook from a young age, so we all kind of would hang out in the kitchen, and we found a lot of happiness and confidence in yourself through cooking, and so that's kind of, we want to share that, you know, happiness of creating something delicious for yourself or for someone that you care about, and the confidence that someone can gain in the kitchen.
Absolutely. Okay, I cut you off earlier, but what are we going to add in?
So we've got white chocolate chips and frozen raspberries.
Okay.
Frozen fruit, such a hack. It's budget friendly. It's frozen at peak ripeness. And then we've got white chocolate chips. Because I mean, you got to have a little bit of sweetness.
Exactly. And you're just going to like fold that in a little bit so that it's evenly incorporated, and then they are ready to cook.
Exactly. And then once they're cooked, you've got this beautiful final product. You can garnish with some more fruit, some whipped cream.
Okay, I'm gonna garnish this up too, because I love whipped cream on anything if I can. And you have the fun blueberries. Okay, so you guys are only 18 and 16. So this is a huge kind of undertaking that you guys have taken on at such a young age. What's the response been like from so many people your age?
Yeah, it's been really positive. We know that there's been so many teenagers, so many young adults, so many people who are just starting on their cooking journey, since this book is really for anyone who is a beginner chef, and it's been such a positive response. The parents are so excited, the people who are just learning how to cook are so excited. It's really been really well taken.
Yeah, and the response, I'm sure, as you were saying, has just been so well received. For people who maybe, because you're saying you yourself are going off to college, what are some of the recipes in here that maybe stand out the most that you want people to keep in mind?
Yes, so we've got all the meals plus drinks and some snacks. So the perfect pancakes are awesome. We've also got the peanut butter cup granola, which I love as like a make it ahead. And we've got the cowboy pasta, which I love as like a lunch or a dinner, taco bowls.
Wow.
And then for dessert, I love the easy tiramisu recipe as well.
That is so amazing. Were there any like challenges that you guys found when you made this?
I'd say the biggest challenge is honestly just like perfecting the recipes. We put so much time and effort into like testing them all.
We appreciate you guys coming out today. We'll have all this up on our website, chh.com/morninglive. Thank you both for coming out today.
Thank you.